So all levers down. And I'm going to teach you this little tricky motif first. And it's actually going to be with your left hand, but I'm going to show you with the right hand because you'll find it easier to see. So thumb on G, second finger on F, third finger on E. And you do this with your left hand, okay? So we're going to play the thumb, play the second finger, and then before we play the third finger, we're putting the second finger and the thumb back on, and then we're going to come up from the bottom. Okay, so watch again. And remember, you're doing that with your left hand. Okay, so now we're going to go from the start of the movement. And the left hand is going to play a chord to start with. So thumb is on the B next door to middle C, B flat, and the third finger on the E flat below. And the right hand, we've got the third finger on E flat. It's not the E flat just above middle C, it's the one the octave higher. Second finger next door and thumb next door. Okay, and we're going to have this rhythm like this. Okay. And then we get our little motif that we've been practicing. So we're going to do this. The left hand's going to jump, you see, from its chord and then do its little motif. And what I did just to finish it off there was the right hand played the second finger on the B flat. So watch again. Okay, so that's bar 134. Then bar 135. The left hand's going to play the same chord and the right hand's going to do the same thing it did at the beginning, but instead of then the left hand coming in and doing its motif, the right hand's going to play an extra G at the top. So it's going to sound like this. I'll play that for you again. Okay, so we put it together from the start. And then we get a little bit where we go right, left, and the right hand's playing a chord, so it's playing E flat and G, and the left hand, just the second finger, is playing the B flat, so it's going to sound like this. So if we put that together from the start, we get this. Then we get a damp from the left hand, we get 2 beats of rest, and then we're going to do a little scale coming down, but we're going to divide it between the hands. So a right hand thumb on the A flat, second finger next door, third finger next door, fourth finger next door, and the left hand thumb goes next door to the right hand fourth finger, and then second finger next door, third finger next door, fourth finger next door. So we come all the way down from the top. Okay, and then the next bar we get 2 beats of rest, and then we get another scale, but it's not quite as long this time. So thumb's going to be on F, second finger next door, third finger next door, fourth finger next door, and the left hand just finishes off with a second finger on the B flat. So those 2 little bars go shh, 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 shh. So from the beginning. And then from bar 138, you get the same thing again. So you've effectively learned 8 bars.